Hi, my name is Christine Harms. I am the controller of the Arizona Cardinals. I handle all of the day-to-day accounting for accounts payable, accounts receivable, all of the financial statement production, and reports for leadership. My impression of the Vena people, the Vena team, the staff, all of the different departments is that they're really, truly working with us. If we're struggling with something, they're there to answer the question. They jump on, we can walk them through. They're so educated that they're able to provide solutions, and if they're not the right person to provide that solution, they bring another team member in, and we learn so much more about the product, what we're looking for, what they think that we're looking for, and we're able to build that out. It really is a partnership, not a customer service thing. That's what stands out the most about the Vena team, is that everyone treats us like we're part of your team, not a customer of your team. Having that feeling of we're a part of your team and you're a part of our team means that my success is your success and your success is my success. And I think that that relationship goes a lot further when we're in it together.